In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to review, and how to complete a purchase with confidence. As always, this is an instructional walkthrough, not financial advice, and features may vary by region. Start by signing up or logging into your PayPal account. Use the official mobile app or the website, and make sure you're on a secure connection. If you're new to PayPal, complete the quick account setup so you can access all available features. Once you're in, tap crypto. On the app, you'll typically find crypto on the home screen or in the menu. On the web, look for it in the top navigation. If you don't see crypto, the feature may not be offered in your location. Next, select buy. This opens the purchase flow and shows you available cryptocurrencies, current market prices, and recent performance. If this is your first time buying crypto on PayPal, you may be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read them and accept the T&Cs to proceed. Before you continue, review your contact info. Make sure your name, address, and other details are correct, since they help confirm your account and appear on receipts. If anything looks off, update your info in your PayPal settings and return to the crypto section. Now select a crypto to buy. Choose the one you're comfortable with. PayPal will display its price and key details so you can make an informed choice. Then select the amount you want to purchase. You can type a custom amount, and PayPal will show you the estimated fees and the total before you commit. Keep an eye on minimum purchase amounts, which can vary. If you'd like to automate your purchases, select a frequency and date. You can make a one-time buy or set up a recurring schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly, along with the start date. This is helpful if you're practicing a set and forget approach, but you can always adjust or cancel later. Next, pick a way to pay. Choose your preferred funding source, such as your PayPal balance, a linked bank, or an eligible debit card. Availability can vary, and you'll want to make sure you have sufficient funds. Finally, confirm before you buy. Review the purchase summary carefully, including the cryptocurrency, amount, fees, and total. When everything looks right, confirm the purchase and wait for the confirmation screen. Your crypto will appear in your PayPal crypto section. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.